Assalamu alaikum guys, this is a tutorial about Python. It's a basic tutorial. I will guide you how to run simple codes. You are watching, this is a Spider compiler, and first of all I will tell you how to display hello world on Python screen. We have to write the print word and braces, and in the double quotes I will write the word hello world. This is our basic program, and we don't need to terminate this line, and I will press F5 or display button, and now you can see here this is written hello world. So this was the basic line, and now if I write a new line without terminator or terminator is your choice. My name is Ali. So press again F5. Sorry, this is, and here written my name is Ali. This is in the new line, and you can also write \n. This will create the space of two lines. This is hello world, and this is the space of one line, and this is a second line. So if we want to play with the numbers or variables, let's suppose I create a variable of name, and this is name Ali, and I change this place with the variable, and I write the variable name which is name, and I have to add plus for the concatenation. So it will display my name. It is my name is Ali. If you want to change this variable value, you can Asad Jahangir. So you may check, it will be changed. This is Asad Jahangir. I want to print this person age with him. Write this is variable age equal to 22. Now I will add a new line for age. Print age is 8. This will create an error. We will check this what he's saying. Age is not defined. Age is not defined. It means this is must be string, not int. If we want to display a number with this string, then we must need to convert it into the string. For conversion into string, we have to add string function, and this is now the string. So now we will check what happened. My name is Asad Jahangir and age is 22. This was a little bit introduction. Hope you will enjoy it.